I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the key documents and details so the removal process is legitimate and efficient. You need the original receipt, the device serial or IMEI, and the Apple ID email if available. Once you have those, sign into iCloud. Or check the device activation screen to confirm the activation lock message. Make sure to note the exact wording and any error codes. This initial verification saves time when you contact Apple or the seller and protects you from illegitimate bypass attempts. Next, you request an official removal through Apple or the original owner, which is the authorized route. Call Apple support or schedule a Genius Bar visit and provide your receipt plus the device serial or IMEI. If you purchase the device used, have the seller sign in to iCloud. And remove the device or initiate the transfer in person. Apple may require government ID and purchase confirmation. Comply with their verification to ensure they can clear activation lock legally. Finally, follow through on the steps Apple provides and wait the stated processing time, which is often 24 to 48 hours. If the request is denied, double-check your documents for clarity, recontact the seller, or request additional verification. Make sure to remove the device from your Apple ID once cleared. If things go wrong, don't use unauthorized bypass tools. Instead, request escalated support from Apple or return the device to the seller for a legitimate resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.